You are the prize. I'm going to say it again. You are the prize. For far too long, you have been allowing individuals to make you forget who you are. You have been overextending yourself. You have been people pleasing. You have been putting yourself last. You have been forgetting your worth to appease people who do not even deserve to be in your presence. You are the prize. These individuals who benefited of you not seeing your worth could be ex-friends, a past lover, a situationship, a family member. You prop these individuals up and put them on a pedestal where they do not belong. You see, you felt like you needed these people, looked up at them as though they were the King of Pentacles, where you are the King of Pentacles. Whether you are a masculine or a feminine, it's time to rise. It's time to alchemize all the energy that you have poured into these individuals that are so non-deserving. It's time to pour that same energy into yourself. You became fixated with these individuals. You became obsessed with pleasing these individuals. Spirit is saying it's time to become obsessed with your own life. The same magic that you see within these individuals resides within you. You are the prize. And they know it. But they were happy to know that you didn't remember it. They wanted you in the Nine of Swords energy. They wanted you to be obsessed with them because of their insecurities. Because they know that an energy and a presence like yours is heavyweight. And to have someone like you aligning with them, to have someone like you obsessing over them, made them feel powerful. When you are the powerful one, and you have always been the powerful one all along. Now it's time to get your crown and fit it back on your head. Now it's time to be seated on your throne where you belong. You are the prize. I'm here to remind you. These people have been exposed. They've been exposed for their insecurities. And by aligning with you, gave them life. They see and know who you are. They can see your magnificence, your beauty, your grace, your charm. Even they were confused as to why you were chasing them down, as to why you are wasting time on them, because they don't even like themselves. You gave this person clout. And it's not about being conceited, it's facts. Because any right person in their mind who had someone as magical, magnificent, caring, empathetic, charitable, original, like you, wouldn't do what they did. And because they don't rate themselves and because they don't respect themselves, they projected that energy outwardly onto you. And then you felt like you needed to have a place in their life. Many times there were opportunities to cycle out this toxic dynamic that they had you looped in. But you felt like you needed to prove to this person, to these individuals, that they were worthy, whilst draining yourself. You stay stuck. You stay stagnant. You refuse to close the cycle. You refuse to close the cycle out on not knowing your own worth. You didn't want to break your own heart, but it's requiring you to sit in that pain. To sit in that pain and face the truth. And the truth is, you were lying to yourself. You knew that you deserved better. You were betraying yourself by lowering your standards to appease people that are not even on your level. And now that you're going to take your power back, these individuals will be scrambling to access your energy. You see, you loving you and taking yourself seriously will make other people take you seriously. You are magnificent. You are a queen. You are a king. You are exceptional. And these individuals know it. And they're going to face many tower moments now because you have come to that realization. And now you have remembered who you are. It's time to move in silence. It's time to start pouring back into you. Like I said, the same energy that you were giving to these people, it's time to give it to yourself. And you're going to find that people are going to call you selfish. You're going to find that people are going to say that you never really loved them. Why are you being this way with me? You've woken up. It's time to wake up. It's time to take off those rose-colored glasses, my darling, and see that you're the prize and you have been the prize all along. You were just trying to connect with others who you felt were on your wavelength, but they never was. And some of them could have been, but they refused to do the work to match your energy. And when you shift your energy and when you start taking yourself seriously, you'll see that all these people that were stuck in a cycle of being toxic towards you will want to come and join you. Spirit is saying, listen, go heal. Don't come anywhere near my child until you heal. And for some of you, be banished for good, because these people are unbalanced. They're spiritually unbalanced, mentally unbalanced. They knew how they were treating you. They knew that you were deserving of far better. And they're going to be so eager not to close out this cycle with the Ten of Swords, but you're going towards your blessings. You will connect with others, if you haven't done so already, who see your worth, who see your heart. And that's what you wanted. You wanted these people to see your heart. And whilst you were trying to gain the love, respect and admiration from these individuals who don't even love and respect themselves, you were draining yourself energetically. You cannot unsee it anymore. What you were trying to build was on faulty ground. For some of you, these people are your family members. It's time to see the truth. They treated you less than to keep you trapped and stuck, so that you do not evolve and disappear. But their fears are going to become a reality, because you're going to heal from this. Some of you are healing from this. You're waking up to the false idols that you propped on pedestals. Pedestals that you actually belong on, not them. No more appeasing people that don't meet you halfway. It's time to pour into yourself. It's time to break free. It's time to start being happy. It's time to start doing what makes you happy, as long as you're not hurting anyone or yourself. These people are so selfish. They wanted you to always serve them whilst your life passed you by. You will walk away from this chapter and walk towards your blessings and victory, to reclaim your power and to remember that you are the prize.